The Baltic 111 Raven is a 34-meter, ultra-lightweight, foil-assisted super yacht built by Baltic Yachts and delivered in 2023, pushing the limits of what a high-performance monohull can do. Designed with advanced composite construction and innovative side-mounted hydrofoils, Raven blends the speed of a cutting-edge racing yacht with the comfort of a true luxury super yacht, achieving exceptional stability and speeds exceeding 30 knots. In a short time, she has already proven herself on the world stage, setting a new monohull record in the 2026 RORC Transatlantic Race, while also taking line honors and the IMA Trophy and sweeping 4 major awards at the 2025 Boat International Design and Innovation Awards for her groundbreaking design and engineering. With a length of about 111 feet, a beam of 7.4 meters, and an extremely light displacement for her size, Raven represents a new generation of performance boats where advanced foiling technology, aggressive weight reduction, and precision engineering come together to redefine offshore sailing performance. Driven by the team's constant push to improve the yacht's design, speed, and overall efficiency at the highest level of performance, EMS 3D was contacted. We 3D scanned the keel, rudders, and foils, including the connection locations of the Raven, capturing highly accurate, as-built geometry to support the next phase of the performance development. By creating a precise digital twin of these critical components, the design team can move beyond assumptions and work with real-world data to refine shapes and optimize hydrodynamic performance. This scan data feeds directly into CAD or computational fluid dynamics analysis software, allowing engineers to simulate how design changes will perform in the water before committing to manufacturing. The result is a faster, more controlled redesign process, reducing risk, improving accuracy, and ensuring each new iteration of the keel, rudders, and foils is fully validated before it ever gets built.
This project demonstrates how 3D scanning and computer-aided design and analysis work together to improve performance. Capturing precise, real-world data provided the design team with the information they need to refine and validate changes before manufacturing. The result is faster development, less risk, and better performing designs. If you would like to discuss with EMS a winning formula for your projects, give us a call at 877-845-2700 or email us at info@ems3d.com.